Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1960 Chevy Impala Convertible. Absolutely beautiful car, finished in seafoam green with a green interior. I got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. So how are we doing today?
Hi, how are you?
Good, Bob. What a nice
I got
day.
a 348 tri-tops, which has been rebuilt. I got electronic ignition. I just put about 10 grand into the car. I have put dual master cylinder. I put disc brakes in the front. I got 4-ply radio. I have
Big wide whites.
four-core radiator, electronic ignition, chrome valve covers, put a stereo in it. Had the carburetors rebuilt. So mechanical the car.
Beautiful chrome paint and stainless. Brand new headlights up front.
Oh, that's right too. I got
The halos.
the halo headlights.
Top is white, perfect shape. Power top, power brakes, power steering. Continental kit. Beautiful lines on this car. Let's check out under the hood, Bob. It's got a 348 under the hood. It's completely rebuilt with new valve seals and valves, so you can put regular fuel in it.
Magnesium valve.
Magnesium valve, right?
The engine was built years and years ago, but there's only like about 2,000 miles.
Okay. You added the power brakes over the summer, right? Got disc brakes up front, drums in the rear.
I have all the original parts.
Got the original motor too, right?
Yeah, I got the original motor.
The 265?
265, right. This is a 60 also.
Oh, cool. So it's very correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, is that a 4-core aluminum radiator?
4-core. Brand new battery also. The battery's brand new.
600 cranking at 700 cranking. 720. Brand new vintage air system, vintage air and heat. Blows nice and cold. Pretty. Beautiful interior too. Brand new floor mats. Showing 70,394 miles. It's got a custom stereo in the glove box as well. Man, what a pretty car. We're just sitting here photographing it. You wouldn't believe the amount of people that just come by. Top's white. It's got a power top as well. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again for the car.
Thank you.
Beautiful.